Hello everyone, this is Sonia with Carolina, Georgia Mix. I'm outside today working in a compost bin that my husband built. This is the side where we do our wood chips at. Have wood chips small. So we take care of wood chips for around the fruit trees and everything. Some of the sticks are big, depends on what side of the wood chipper you actually put them in, how much they chew up. But yeah, and also this pretty much when we was in the process of learning how to use it real good, but we figure out a way to make them all come out small like this right here, small like that. So yeah, we've been enjoying doing that. Everything is a work. It's all work in around the homestead. It's never a day that you don't have anything around your homestead to do, or it don't work that way. Okay, and over here is the chicken. Was what we get out the chicken coop, and I'm telling y'all, there's worms in here like crazy. So it's like we got chicken poop along with worm casting. Because there's so many worms in here. Like, I wish I can just, as I was digging and turning it, all I saw was worms, long worms, looked like snake almost. Kind of scary to use it, but hey. Worms all over y'all. Worms are all over this thing. Look at that, y'all. You see that? You see that worm right there? Trying to get back in there because I done dug it up. Trying to see if I can catch him. Yeah. Yeah, but there's worms all in here. So yeah, we put this around the trees and everything too. The trees, the bushes, everything. We just started doing it. Gave it a couple months to sit back here and get the way it is. But y'all, if y'all could see this earlier when I first came back here, and how all these worms popping out, scaring me because they look like little snakes. And then I had to record my video because it paused for some reason. So now I can't find them like I did the first video. But y'all, this is the chicken composting. It's all from the chickens. Cleaning out the coop. So yeah, we just threw something together just to separate them. Nothing fancy. See, nothing fancy, y'all. Nothing fancy at all. Just something to hold them and separate them. That's all we did. That's all we did, y'all. Nothing fancy. So yeah, and then we have the other compost right here. That's that compost. Got stirred around, but yep, that's that compost too. So yeah, y'all, thanks for watching. Keep smiling, y'all. Until next time. Sonia with Carolina, Georgia Mix, and I'm out, y'all.